Hey, I'm Joel Lim, seen on Business Insider, MSN, Yahoo Finance, and more. In this video, I'll highlight two S&P stocks that you should consider selling this month to avoid potential losses. Let's get started. First up, we have Lululemon, ticker symbol Lulu. Once a leading brand in the athleisure market, Lululemon reached a peak stock price of $511.29 in December last year. However, since then, it has been on a steady decline. The company's recent quarterly performance was underwhelming, as detailed in its full year 2023 earnings report. Despite a share buyback plan where they repurchased 100,000 shares for $54 million, the stock has continued to slide. Fashion and apparel are notoriously volatile markets, heavily influenced by trends and consumer behavior. Lululemon's inability to adapt quickly enough to these changes has left it struggling. Although the stock still trades at relatively high prices, the recent quarterly performance and overall market trends suggest that a rebound is highly unlikely. Now might be the time to consider selling Lululemon before its performance deteriorates even further. Next, let's talk about Supermicro Computers, ticker symbol SMCI. Valued at $56 billion, Supermicro Computers is known for producing high-performance servers and systems for AI worldwide. However, the tech sector, particularly in the growing industries like AI, is prone to volatility. Recently, Supermicro Computer share prices dropped by 9% following an announcement of new share offerings. While share offerings are not uncommon, the timing was unfortunate as other stocks in the AI sector have been outperforming, raising concerns among investors. Supermicro Computers will likely not rebound until the market corrects. Given the current market conditions, it might be wise to sell Supermicro Computers now to avoid further potential losses. So there you have it. Lululemon and Supermicro Computers are two S&P stocks that you consider selling this May. It's always crucial to stay proactive and make strategic decisions to protect your portfolio. Remember, every investment decision should be aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more investment insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing.